To get your hair smooth using just your Dyson Supersonic, you're going to pop on your smoothing nozzle. So this is the one with the wider airflow. And once you've got that on, blast your hair from soaking wet to about halfway dry. When you're blasting, avoid this motion. You're just going to kind of dishevel the hair a bit more. If you blast in the direction in which you'd like the hair to go, so I blasted my hair downwards in this direction because I would like to end up with a nice smooth finish. I also popped in the pattern in which I'd like it to stay before I started blast drying the hair. So once you've blasted off, it's time to take it in sections. So you can get these little clips, they're nice and handy to take it in sections. And when you're taking the piece of hair that you're going to work on, just make sure it's no wider than the brush that you're going to use. So I'm going to use a wide brush, so I'm making sure my section of hair is no wider than the length of the barrel. If you're not handy with a round brush, you can use a paddle brush either. It's going to give you the same result, so opt for whichever one you prefer. So once you have the section of hair, what you're going to do is place the brush in the hair, twist to get a bit of tension so your bristles want to be coming through the hair, and then you're just going to glide alongside your smoothing nozzle all the way down to the ends and repeat that motion until the section of hair is dry and nice and frizz free. So choose the heat setting that you would like and the airflow that you would like for your hair type. Now, so once you feel the section is dry and gone off frizz, you can move on to your next section if you're happy with that. If you feel like there's still a little bit of a kink in it, or you'd like a sleeker kind of a smooth finish, you can change to your styling concentrator. So that's the narrower airflow one. So I'll just show you that as well. Pop it on. Yeah, so that may have got rid of any kinks that you might have had in the hair. So I'm happy that it's nice and smooth now, and I'll just move on to the next section. And then once I finish the whole head, I would just turn the heat settings down to cold air completely and run over it all with cold air. It'll just help to seal the cuticle on the hair and prevent the frizz.